In this video, I'll discuss on how you can sell vouchers online while using Circlesoft Vouchers. So the first part is all about preparation and settings for both your website and back office. First step is to create your category. So I have created here vouchers, and I'll be displaying it on our list. Now let me try and put it up the list. Alright, so we have vouchers on the list now, on the featured category list. Now, second part is the creation of your voucher ID. So let's say that I'll be creating retail GC 150. Alright, so if I search this, there won't be any result. So I need to create my own product. So you can repeat this product, or you can repeat or do this in bulk like this. So let's say you create 50 as well. Alright, now let's put vouchers here. Okay, hit search and both of them will be listed under vouchers category. Now for your publisher and imprint, you can create your shop, or you can nominate your shop as the publisher and imprint. So let's say that, let me try searching for retail. Okay, so if the publisher or imprint isn't listed, you can create first. So let's say retail shop. Right, add as publisher. Then from here you need to add an imprint as well. Right, so this one you just search and then it will be loaded. Now let's give a name for this voucher. Okay, so one is a 150 gift voucher and another one is a $50 voucher. So this one is 50, this one is 150. Copy it over. Alright, now you need to add an order to save it into your site. And if you go to the website, right, let's wait for it. Okay, so now you need to add your description and an image. So let me edit one first. Alright, so the description I'll be posting on this video is a copy from a different shop. Now you can use your own description for your vouchers. I have filled out the community default description. Next would be uploading an image. So each shop should have their own graphic materials. This is not provided by Circlesoft or cannot be created through back office. It is a graphic material that you need to source or create on your own. So go ahead and select or locate your graphic material, open, and then load. Take note that the extension of your file should be a JPEG file, right? So when you click on save, all those information that I have added to retail GC 150 will now be present on the website. So I have borrowed the image from Ben's books, right? So if I click on the voucher, you'll see the description coming from a different shop. Now, third part is a configuration concern. So as you can see here, on retail demo site, you cannot order an item that is out of stock. Right? So if your configuration for your website is that you cannot sell, or you cannot you do not allow your customer to purchase out of stock items, so regardless if it is showing or hiding out of stock items, then you need to configure your website settings. It is simply configured here under settings website. So here you can toggle the handling out of stock, so hide add to cart, so that you don't allow those out of stock item to be purchased. You can enable that. Okay, save changes, and you see that there will be an order this item. All right, now if you want to update, or our settings here is to display the availability or the quantity of the stock through the website. So this is the settings for that. So once you save the settings, it will reflect on the website. Now, as you can see, this item is still out of stock. So the next thing you need to do is simply update the quantity. So you can put a tentative quantity. So let's say this one, right? And if you go to the website, you'll see that this one is add to cart. All right. Now, so that is your configuration settings for the gift voucher. All right. So last part for this part 1 video is payment types. So on the second video, I'll discuss the process on how the customer will pay for it, and then how you will process it through back office, and then how you would send it back to the customer, the voucher ID and then the secure code, and then their purchasing. Alright, so payment types, you need to create here something like online vouchers. Alright, now you need, because you have created a placeholder, this one item on the website, so you need a placeholder payment type that you can use when you create a voucher later. So those are the preparations that you need to complete when selling gift voucher from your website. So first part is the creation of a category, then the second part is creation of the product, then next is updating the product's information, such like description and image. There is a rule in the website settings where if description or image is missing, it will be hidden from the public. So if you added a title onto your category and you cannot see it, perhaps your description and image option is set to hide. Alright, now also take note that when you are adding your voucher products, make sure that you have loaded it or added it, tagged it into their respective category. Right, so that is the process for your preparation and updating your settings for selling a gift voucher through your website.